Dear learners of Standard 6, it's a very good morning and welcome you all to my today's online class. Hopefully you all are doing great at home. Today I am going to discuss from your BGS book lesson 7 and 8 location and importance of the oceans of the world. By this time you have learned something about the sea, ocean and bay or gulf. Now I will tell you detail about the oceans. And you know one thing, that is there are 5 oceans in the world, and these are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, North Ocean and South Ocean. Follow here in the world geographical map, here written about the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean or North Ocean, Southern Ocean or the Antarctic Oceans. And here you know of the total area of the world, 71% is water and 29% is land, and 71% of the Earth's surface is occupied by ocean water, and the oceans contain 97% of the Earth's water, and all the oceans and seas are in reality one continuous body of water, and 90% of all volcanic activity occurs in the oceans. And you know about the internal structures of the Earth, interior portion of the Earth, and there are 3 major portions: core, mantle and lithosphere. And you know that means from the mantle zone the volcanic eruption occur. So let's know about the ocean, sea and bay, how it is defined. That is, what is ocean? The vast and open body of salt water of the hydrosphere is identified as ocean. Now question may arise, what is hydrosphere? That is the layer of water, that is the aquifer, water aquifer, layer of water at or near earth surface, and it includes all liquid and frozen surface water, groundwater held in soil and rock, and atmospheric water vapor such as cloud. What is sea? The mass of water is smaller than an ocean is called sea, and we can tell that seas are interconnecting system of ocean water. For example, Arabian Sea, Japan Sea, Red Sea, etc. And what about bay? Bay in Bengali meaning it is the Uposhagar. So ocean, the Bengali meaning Mahashagar, sea, Sagar, and bay, Uposhagar. Bay, that is the sea that is bounded by land on 3 sides. Say for example, Bay of Bengal, Bay of Malaya. But one exception, that is some seas may be bound on 4 sides by land. For example, it is the Mediterranean Sea, that is in Bengali Bhumodhya Sagar. So you have already learned there are 5 oceans in the world. These are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the 4th one the North Ocean, and the 5th one the South Ocean. So North Ocean is also known as the Arctic Ocean, and South Ocean also known as the Antarctic Ocean. So let's start from the first ocean, that is the Pacific Ocean. Here I have attached one map. Follow the world Pacific. The word Pacific means calm and quiet, that is calm. The Pacific is the largest ocean of the world regarding the expansion of water, depth and area. And who named it Pacific? Portuguese sailor Ferdinand Magellan named it Pacific because seeing the calm looks of this mass of water, he named it so. And this ocean occupies 1/3 of the total area of the world. There are more than 25,000 islands in this ocean, and the seas that have merged with the Pacific are the Japan Sea, the Yellow Sea and the China Sea. And here one thing, that is it has an area, this Pacific Ocean has an area of approximately 16 crore 60 lakh square kilometer, and I told you it covers about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. And this ocean is bounded on the east. Follow the map. This ocean is bounded on the east by the North and South America, and on the west the Asia, and west the southern corner here the Australia. So its average depth is 4270 meter. And one important and interesting thing, that is the ocean has many deep trenches but the greatest known trench is Mariana Trench, that is about 10,870 meters and lies off the coast of Mindanao of Philippines. Follow here, that is the trench. Now question may arise, what is an oceanic trench? Follow here, oceanic trench are topographic depression, that is geographically it is the depression of the low-lying area of the sea floor, relatively narrow in width but very long. These oceanic features are the deepest part of the ocean floor, and it is 43 miles long. The Mariana Trench is the closest to the Earth's core. So let's know about something. The Mariana Trench or Mariana's Trench is the deepest part of the world ocean. It is located in the western Pacific Ocean to the east of the Mariana Islands, and the trench is about 2550 km long. The pressure of water is so great at depths below 1000 meters that it could crash a regular submarine. All of the animals that live in the deep sea must contend with this incredible pressure. Let's know about the Atlantic Ocean. Possibly the ancient Romans named this ocean Atlantic after the name of Atlas mountain. Though it is second in area among the oceans, but it is first in importance because these oceans play a significant role in developing the communication, trade and commerce. And these oceans is divided into two parts, North Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean. And the continents of Europe, Asia and Africa are located to the east. Follow, this is the Europe, Africa. The Europe, Asia and Africa are located to the east, and North and South America are located to the west. And this ocean stands third regarding depth. And here also, like the Mariana Trench, also the deepest trench in the Atlantic Ocean, that is the Puerto Rico Trench. And in the middle of this ocean bed, there are several rocks and mountain ranges similar to the Dolphin and Challenger Plateau of North America. So let's know the plateau. Plateau, the Bengali meaning is the Malbhumi. So what is, or we can say it is the tableland. So a land area having relatively level surface considerably raised above adjoining land on at least one side. And you have learned or you have known about the Bermuda Triangle, which is situated in the Atlantic Ocean, and the one ridge or one edge of the Bermuda Triangle also touches the Puerto Rico Trench. And some mysterious reputation about the Bermuda Triangles are well known to all. Let's know about the Indian Ocean. Follow, among the oceans, the Indian Ocean is third in area and second in depth, and this ocean contains 20% mass of water of the whole world. Regarding its location, Asia is to its north, Africa is to its west, Australia is to its east, and Antarctica lies to its south. The Arab Sea and the Bay of Bengal are to the north of this ocean. And this Indian Ocean, the depth of this Indian Ocean is 3962 meter, and the area of the Indian Ocean is about 7 crore 36 lakh square kilometer. And there is also a trench well known, that is the Sunda Trench. So the Sunda Trench is an oceanic trench located the Indian Ocean of the islands of Sumatra Island. Here follow, here is the Sumatra Islands, and this is the Sunda Trench. And numerous aircraft and vessels have gone missing in the region of the trench over the years, giving it a somewhat mysterious reputation akin to the Bermuda Triangle. And one thing, the well-known islands of Madagascar, of Australia and Sri Lanka are the Indian Ocean, and beside this there are also Andaman and Nicobar Islands situated in this ocean. Let's know about the Northern Ocean and Southern Ocean. Here it is the map. Follow. The Northern Ocean is situated in the northern end of the northern hemisphere, and it is surrounded by landmass, and it is about 1/12 area of the Pacific Ocean. So 12th means one of 12 equal parts of a whole, and its average depth is about 824 meter. And what about the Southern Ocean? The Southern Ocean surrounds the Antarctic continent, an average depth of about 149 meter, and it is covered by ice the year round. Now, importance of oceans. The oceans is important for us for various reasons, because seas and oceans play a significant role in developing the communication, trade and commerce. Let's know the importance of oceans. The ocean produces over half of the world's oxygen and absorbs 50 times more carbon dioxide than our atmosphere. Covering 70% of the Earth's surface, transports heat from the equator to the poles, regulating our climate and weather patterns. Related to fisheries and shipping routes, play a significant role in developing communication, trade and commerce. Mineral resources are found at the bottom of the oceans. So the important resources are limonite, lead, iron, copper. We can find this available. And follow here why this ocean circulation is important, because it transport 20% of latitudinal heat from equator to poles. It transport nutrients and organisms, influences weather and climate pattern. It influences trade and commerce. So role of oceans are enough. It also supply the water vapor for rain. This connects continents and islands. It provides large number of minerals deep under the ocean. So dear learners, today up to this. Thank you all. Stay safe, stay blessed.